In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from MT5 or MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, withdrawing funds efficiently is vital. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can complete the task smoothly. First, it's important to note that you cannot directly withdraw funds from the MetaTrader platform itself. Instead, you'll need to access your brokerage account through your web browser. So, open your favorite browser and log into the account associated with your broker. This ensures that you're accessing the correct financial settings for your trading activities. Once you're logged into your broker's dashboard, look out for a section labeled Funding. This is where the magic really happens. Clicking on Funding will usually present you with several options related to both depositing and withdrawing funds. For today's purpose, we're focusing on withdrawals. Inside the Funding area, you'll want to click on the Withdraw option. This action will direct you to a section where you can manage any withdrawals from your account. Here, you'll see any accounts you have configured with your broker. It's important to select the specific account you want to withdraw from, especially if you have multiple accounts or use various trading platforms. After selecting the correct account, you'll then choose a withdrawal method. Different brokers offer varying methods, such as bank transfers, credit card refunds, or e-wallets. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember that each method can have different processing times, so take that into account, especially if you need access to your funds quickly. Now, it's time to input the amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double-check that you've entered the correct sum and any other required information specific to your chosen payment method. This could include account numbers or special transaction codes, depending on the withdrawal medium. Accuracy here saves time later on, preventing potential delays caused by incorrect information. Once all details are in place, you'll submit the withdrawal request. It's generally straightforward, but check for any confirmation prompts that may appear after submission. These often confirm that your request is being processed. Finally, it's essential to keep an eye on your email inbox. Your broker will typically send a confirmation email outlining the details and confirming that your withdrawal request is underway. In some cases, you may need to approve the request through this email to finalize the withdrawal process. This extra step is a layer of security, ensuring that your funds are safely transferred. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently and securely withdraw your funds from MT5. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.